In this video, we learn how to correct some of the common mistakes we make in our conversation. The first one is angry with. Don't say she's angry against me. You should say she's angry with me. We get angry with a person and angry at a thing. For example, he was angry at the weather. The next one is arrive at. Don't say we arrived to the village last week. The correct sentence is we arrived at the village last week. You can use arrive in with countries, large cities. For example, he has arrived in India. The next one is ashamed of. Don't say he is now ashamed from his behavior. Do say he is ashamed of his behavior. It is not correct to use ashamed of in the place of the word shy. Ashamed means feeling shame or guilt. Shy means feeling nervous with someone. For example, I'm shy of my teacher. The next word, believe in. Don't say she believes to God. The correct sentence is she believes in God. To believe in means to have faith in. To believe without in means to regard something as true. For example, I believe everything she says. The next one is travel by train, not with the train. Don't say he traveled with the train yesterday. The correct sentence is he traveled by train yesterday. For example, we say we travel by train, by bike, by land, by sea, by bus, in a bus, or on a bus, by a car, in a car, on a donkey, on a bicycle, or on foot. The next one is complain about. Don't say she complained for the weather. The correct sentence is she complained about the weather. When talking about illness, we can use complain of. For example, she complained of a sore throat. The next one is confidence in. Don't say I have great confidence to you. The correct sentence is I have great confidence in you. There is another usage of confidence is secret. Let me tell you in confidence. The next one is congratulate on. Don't say I congratulate you for your success. The correct sentence is I congratulate you on your success. Covered with. Don't say the mountains are covered by snow. The correct sentence is the mountains are covered with or in snow. The next one is different from. Don't say my mobile phone is different than yours. The correct sentence is my mobile phone is different from yours. Divide into parts. You should not say my mother divided the cake in 4 parts. The correct sentence is my mother divided the cake into 4 parts. A thing may be divided in half or in 2. For example, he divided the apple in half or he divided the apple in 2. The last one is fail in. Don't say he failed from maths last year. The correct sentence is he failed in maths last year. Hope this video is helpful to learn how to correct common mistakes in English. Thank you.